Hey there artists, today we're going to learn how to draw Naruto. So let's get started. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to start off with his eyes first. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a curved line like this. And I'm going to do one on the opposite side as well, probably about 2 fingers width. And what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to draw another line right underneath it. It's going to taper off to a point. And I'm going to do that on both sides. Now at the end of these eyelids, I'm going to do like a V shape, like a skinny V. And let's go ahead and fill those in to make them a little bit thicker. Now we're going to work on the bottom of his eyes. So I'm going to do a curved line like this. And we're going to do it on the other side as well. And we're going to kind of angle it up like that. So now inside of his eyes, we're going to do a circle. And we'll do a circle in his other eye as well. Inside the circles, we're going to do another circle for his pupils. And let's go ahead and fill those in. Now let's do his nostrils. So we did about 2 fingers width for his eyes. Let's do about 2 fingers width for his nostrils. So I'm going to do these 2 little ovals like this. And again, they're about 2 fingers width down from his eyes. And we're going to draw a straight line for a smile. So now that we have his eyes, let's start working on his head. So for his ears, I'm going to do kind of like a C shape. And I'm going to do the same thing, but a backward C shape on the other side. Now let's work on his jaw. So we're going to draw 2 straight lines that are kind of coming down at an angle a little bit. And now we're going to work towards his chin. So again, I'm just drawing these straight lines like this. Now I'm going to connect these 2 lines with a straight line like that. Feel free to pause the video at any point if you guys need to catch up to use this video for reference. So now let's work on the top of his head. So right about here, I'm going to draw a line that goes like a wide curved line that goes over the top of his eyes. And that's going to serve as the bottom of his bandana as well. And he's going to have these eyebrows that kind of come to a point, like a sharp point. So we're just doing straight lines that come to a point, like a skinny V. And we're going to do his sideburns that are going to do the same thing. So that's like a V shape. Just like this. We'll do another V right here. We'll come back to do the details later on his face. So let's actually move up to the headband. So for his headband, I'm going to do a couple straight lines that come up like this. And I'm going to draw a line that comes in. And it's going to be like a fold in his headband. Now, probably starting right here, a little bit inwards of those lines that you made, you're going to come up at an angle again. And you're going to connect these 2 lines with a long curved line. Now, inside of his headband, he's going to have his forehead protector. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do 2 parallel lines that are going to kind of come to a curve. They're going to make up the rectangle of his protector. So let's connect these 2 lines with another curved line. And let's connect these 2 lines with another curved line along the top. Now, inside of his forehead protector, let's draw the Uzumaki clan symbol. So what we're going to do is we're going to draw a line that kind of comes at an angle like this. And we're going to make a spiral. Now, right outside the spiral, probably right about here, we're going to do a V shape to finish off the symbol. Now that we have his headband, let's work on Naruto's hair. His hair is just like a bunch of upside down V shapes. Now, they vary in size, so feel free to just kind of make them at will. But if you need to copy mine, just feel free to pause the video at any point again and, follow along. So I'm just kind of drawing these V shapes. I am using an image for a reference on my iPad. But I'm making these V shapes, these upside down V shapes that are varying in size and height. Feel free to take your time as well. No need to rush. Now we have his hair. So let's actually move down to his neck. So now in between his jaws, like this, is going to be about the width of his neck. So we're just going to come down at a straight line, like this. And we're actually going to draw this hair that he has in the back. So we're going to do a straight line, and it's just going to be these jagged lines. Now they're going to be V shapes, these skinny V shapes. Like so. So now that we have the outline of Naruto, let's actually go in and add a couple of details. So, under his eyes, he's going to have these little lines. There'll be little wrinkles in his eyes. And for his ears, we're going to do the folds in his ears. So I'm going to do like a skinny end shape like this. And let's do that on both sides. Now, we're going to make like a wide sideways V. And we're going to finish it off by just adding a curved line like this on each ear. Now, Naruto actually has these whiskers, right, from his exposure from the nine-tail. So we're going to draw some lines here. And they're going to vary in size, going from largest to smallest on the side of his cheeks. Naruto is actually one of my favorite animes. So now that we have the outline of Naruto, I'm actually going to color him in with some marker. This is where you have a chance to really make your drawing a really cool piece of art and make it stand out by taking your time. So I'll be using marker on top of marker paper, and I'm going to speed this part up. So I'll be right back. And this is my Naruto. I just wanted to show you guys that there's just one simple thing that you guys can do that makes a huge difference in your guys' art. And can you guys guess what that is? That's right, it's color. That's right, nothing changed from the drawing that I showed you earlier. The only thing I did was I took my time when coloring and chose the right colors. And it turned out the way it turned out. A really cool piece of art. So if you guys like these kind of videos, make sure you guys like and subscribe for the next one. And I'll catch you guys later. Have a good one.
If you like my dad's videos, like and subscribe. See you next time.